Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we are at Bluff Campgrounds in Aberdeen, Mississippi. And as you can see behind me, what a view of the Tenn Waterway. Of course, we are at campsite 71, and I'm telling you, this is really beautiful. Just backs up right to the waterway to see the boats go by. And they've got about 92 campsites here at Blue Bluff, and hey, they've got 50 amp hookups, 30 amp, 20 amp electrical, of course your water, but no sewer. But we're gonna just try to ride around, take a look at everything, show you a few spots, and so hang on, here we go.
If you like to fish or do some recreational boating, they do have a boat ramp here at Blue Bluff. Here we are at site number 51. We wanted to give you an idea of what some of the sites look like. As you can see, there's water, electric. Come on around. Each site has a picnic table and a fire pit. This site is on an inside loop, but you still have a view of the water.
All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the tour today. And remember, if you like our channel, give us that thumbs up and also subscribe. Thanks, everybody.